Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bubble. So simply just open the Bubble website first of all, and now here just first of all we will create account. So simply get started for free. Simply just click here. Now after that, here you can see you can type your email and password to sign up, or simply you can log in with Google. So simply just, if you have login ID available in Google, simply just you can sign up through Google. So after that, when you sign up, simply you will move to next section, and here what's your goal today, like you want to build app, you want to hire, earn, all these options available. So simply first of all I will click on build and then click on next. So here, where did you hear about Bubble? So simply just select anything, like I've select blog. After that, click on complete. So now what you need to do, you have to type your application name here. So simply I will type my name here. So just keep in mind, if you type the common name like new or anything, so the URL will not be available. So simply you have to select the different and kind of name that allow URL to add here. So simply, as you can see, my URL is verified. So after that, just click on create app. So simply select a plan for your app. So currently I am demonstrating this video, so simply I will select the free, and now after that just click on continue. And now when you click on continue, you have to wait for few seconds. Now our website is being uploaded here. So in the first section we have learned how to sign up and how to name your app. After that, just we will go to next section. So here you can see this is the main dashboard of bubble.io. So simply now how you can use Bubble. So obviously Bubble is available to create applications. So first of all, you can see the header option. So simply just pick the header and drop it here. So just you can set the size of here. So when you select any section here, you can also change the size, like I have changed the size here. And simply after that, you can see there are three headers options available. Like if you want to select a different template, you can select different one. So now here you can see in the next section hero. So simply just drag and paste it here. So simply you can also set it according to your application style. So now simply we will put it here. Now in the next, just scroll down. Here you can add the value pop-up. Simply just drag it here. So in the next section, you can see the footer option. So simply you can also, when you select the any section here, you can also delete it here. Like I have added footer here. So now if you want to delete this, simply select and delete it. So now in the next section, here you can see sign up or login page. So simply you can drag it here, and in the next section you can see welcome to Bubble option. So you can also add it here. So in on the right side, when you select any section, simply after that, like I have select the sign up and login, or I have select this one or this one. So simply when you select this, here you can see the editing option of your section. So in the first, you can see, like we select this one, type of component. So here you can change the type of component like text, user, number, numeric rings, date interval, date range. So after that, here you can see the data source, and then the next, the element is not clickable. If the element is not clickable, so simply you have to select this. So here you can also click on start and edit workflow. Here you can change the style like group border. So as you can see, this will change will appear there. So standard group. So now here you can also edit the width and height. So as you can see, the width will automatically change. So here you can edit the width, and after that here you can see the background style. As you can see, the background style is changed. Simply here you can also change the color, starting color, ending color, intermediate color. So here you can also upload image from Facebook or description. Here you can see the layout. So in the layout section you can also change these options like what kind of appearance you want, like you apply this and get the section in row and column. So here you can also alignment them. So here you can also adjust the width. In the condition, here you can define and condition like what kind of a condition you want to apply on this section. So simply after that just close this. So whenever you want to edit any section, simply just you can select the section, and after that just you have to edit it. So here on the left side you can see the design option. So as you can see, there are multiple options here like group header standard width, group sign up, group images. So simply whenever you select any selection here like page index, so simply you can edit here appearance, layout and conditional. So first of all you have to select the element that you want to add, and after that you have to edit this. So here you can see there are multiple options available, like if you want to add the text here, buttons here, simply just select on the buttons and drag it here. Now after that here you can change the button style, layout and condition. This is the same method. So here you can see the icon link. So here you can also insert the link. Here you can draw the shape. So here you can see the image option. So simply you can also add the image here. So in the next section you can see group, repeating group, pop-up, floating group, input, multi-liner input, checkbox, drop down, search box, radio button, slider input. So all these options available if you want to add into your website. So application, after that just in the next section you can see the workflow. So simply just click on workflow. So here you have to add the option like when element is clicked. So when you want in the someone section, like if someone click on sign up, so what kind of action will be appear. So you have to add here in workflow. So as you can see, I have already added the 7, so you can simply add the new element here. So in this way you can add the actions in bubble. After that in the next section you can see the data option. So here the all basic data of your application, like in data types, user, you can also change it, you can also create a new field. So simply after that click on privacy. So here the privacy details like created date, modified date, you can also change it. So here the app data like your email and all other basic data will be available here in the workflow section. So next, option sets. So here you can also set the options, and here the file manager, like if you uploaded any images, videos or any third-party data here, so it will be available in your file manager. So simply you can manage and delete it here. So currently I don't have any uploaded image and videos, so when you upload image, video or any data, it will be appear here. So in the next section you can see the styles option. So here you can see warning alert, primary button, outline button. So simply you can set also style from here, like you can also select the element style like group border, standard group. So simply just select the one and change it. So here the same section you can see the appearance, layout and conditional. So simply just you select, you can also edit here, and you can also after that click on apply. Even you can add a new style here, simply click on add a style and type the name and element style. So after the style section, in the next you can see plugins. So now if you want to add any plugin into your application, you have to move to plugins option. After that just click on add plugins. So here you can see multiple plugins here. So simply you can also search for the plugins that you want to add into your application. Simply install it. After that click on done. You can also install it. So after the plugin section, in the next you can see the settings option. So this is your account setting and application basics setting here. So simply you can see in the general your privacy and security. So this is your account setting, domain and email, languages, SEO, API, collaboration, sub apps, versions. So this is your account setting, and here you can check the logs. So finally, as you can see how you can use Bubble. So this is very easy. Just select the component that you want to add into your application, and after that you can easily edit, stylize and manage them. You don't need to put any code, so simply you can just drag the section and apply into your app. So in this way you can easily use Bubble app. So after that, when you completely design your application, simply you can also publish it to your Play Store or any app store. So this is very easy method